When creating custom components for a BIM model, the user may prefer to use Google Sketchup to model the component instead of the conceptual mass creator in Revit. However, trying to load a SketchUp file directly into Revit usually causes errors or system crashes. This tutorial will explain the procedure for importing a SketchUp model into Revit without experiencing these frustrations. When creating the SketchUp model, it is important to use the red and green axis as the base of the component, because this axis will be used to determine the base of the component when it is placed in a Revit model. Keep in mind that you should only model simple components in SketchUp. Revit will not display complex models correctly. Also, none of the finishes added to the component will transfer to your Revit model. Once you are done with your SketchUp component, click File and select the Save As option. At the Save menu, select SketchUp version 5 from the File Type drop-down menu. Newer versions of SketchUp files are not supported in Revit. Name the file and click Save. Open Revit, but do not load your project. Instead, select New Conceptual Mass under the Families section. At the Template Type menu, select the Mass.rfd option. In the Conceptual Mass Creator, select Insert and then Import CAD. At the Import CAD Formats menu, select the SketchUp Files.skp option from the Files of Type drop-down menu. Select your file and click Open. Your component should then be visible. Note that because it was not created in Revit, materials cannot be assigned to the mass. However, you can assign an assembly code to it if you wish. Next, click the Revit button in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Select the Save As option, then click Family. Name the model, and make sure that .rfa is the selected file type. Close the Conceptual Mass Creator and open the project in which the component is to be placed. Click Insert and select Load Family. Select the .rfa file that you created and click Open. The model is then loaded into Revit. Make sure you are in a 3D view and select Visibility Graphic Overrides in the Properties window. Ensure Mass is checked and click OK. Then, under the Home tab, click the Component button. Select your component type in the Properties menu and place the component wherever you wish. Congratulations, you have now placed your SketchUp component in your Revit model.